Here is the written pronunciation of the 5 Spanish vowels using English-based sounds. It's important to remember that, unlike in English, each Spanish vowel has only one sound that never changes. A, like the ah in car or father. A, like the a in bed or get. E, like the ee in see or tree. O, like the o in no or go, but a pure round sound without the w sound at the end. Oo, like the oo in food or moon. It's important to repeat several times until to memorize the sounds of these vowels that never change. A, e, o, oo. A, e, o, oo. A, e, o, oo.